Hey y'all, so what's been up? Ew. So as you can see right now, your girl got her hair done because looking like a snacky act as always. Kind of want to give you guys an update to let you guys know your girl will be putting the natural hair away. I know it's the summertime, y'all. It's very humid outside. It's very hot and sweaty, and it just would not be a good time, especially if you are a natural. Shout out to all my naturals and shout out to my subscribers, everybody who's watching me right now. Yeah, it's just really not the right time to be trying to have your natural hair out during the summertime. And I also just feel like during the summertime, we bound to get more lazier. We put more time into our outfits and, into our wallets, our bank accounts, and what we about to be spending. We don't got time to do our hair. We don't got time for it. And so I decided I'm going to be wearing protection hairstyles for a little while, y'all. I definitely will be. Go ahead and give you guys an update and let you guys know what's been going on currently behind the scenes. My second wig I didn't put in my hair, y'all, already. And I probably will not be having my natural hair out, y'all, until probably the middle of August or probably towards fall time. So in due time, do not panic. I will be still giving you guys the videos, giving you guys tips on what I do besides maintenance of my natural hair. I do have a skin tutorial about to come out, y'all, and if y'all are digging my hair right now, my skin and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying, definitely give this video a like. Comment down below if you think you're ready for my skin tutorial, y'all. I do not wear concealer or anything like that, so yes, this is raw skin right now. But yeah, y'all, I just really wanted to let y'all know that I have not gave up my natural hair goals. I do love natural hair. I love my hair. But anyways, y'all, ain't this shirt cute? I got this shirt right here from Shein, and it's like a little half top. I do got like my sports bra on with it or whatever the case is. I didn't have to have that on, but I mean, I just wanted to have that on to throw on. Thought that'd be really cute. Anyways, y'all, I said I'm gonna give you guys updates on other stuff that I do or whatever, so do not panic, do not fear, and do not unsubscribe, because I will be giving you guys other stuff. We also gonna have a thing where we're gonna go product shopping, you know what I'm saying? So if you definitely like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for believing in me and being a Chelsea Brittnay subscriber and just being true to your natural hair roots and stuff like that, y'all. Y'all know how I feel about us and our beautiful hair. I love my 4C hair, and I just really want to give you guys an update about what's going on. And so yeah, y'all have not gave up. And thanks so much for supporting me and stuff like that, y'all. I love y'all tons, okay? Peace out. Bye. Behind the scenes, y'all, looking like a snacky yaki, to showing you guys what I'm looking like. And my whole thing was to never really originally wear this with the sports bra thing. I just threw it over because yeah, I had to, do a video. But yeah, y'all, looking like a snacky yaki. I hope everybody day is good and I hope everybody be productive. And I love y'all tons, man. Y'all already know what it is, okay? Feeling like a snacky yaki. Anyways, y'all, I know my mirror a little dirty, but don't come for me because I got little dots on my mirrors. It's not that big of a deal. So, y'all, do y'all know where I got my wig from? Like, oh my god, this wig, y'all, was so bomb. Bye.